Yo. What is up, guys? Records, give me a... Fuck, you need that to get him intro.
Take two. Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records, give me here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Alkaline. Alkaline with our music video called No Rival. I guess it is what it says. No rival. Him not no rival. Like him no business about nobody. Him up there doing thing by himself. You see me? We got the vendetta people them. We see Alkaline drop lump sum New Year's Day. So 11 days or 12 days later, Alkaline there again with No Rival. So look at the boss mean business this year. The medical smooth man, style to Cosmo. But me still have it. Let's jump in on here with the G. I say, let's go. Yeah. Lamborghini truck.
My thing.
Hey.
Lay down dead no more. Lay down dead no more. Why lay down dead no more? Buffalo no more.
So as it start, him go straight tonight. Them lay down dead. Them is no more to be forgotten. Just a button. Them is a button pon a shirt. Them lay down dead. What up? Mess me up my cough sweet cause me know what mince me word and see me cough sweet them when me consume if anybody want to know. Listen, Alkaline me in business. The boss me in business. Must say yo them lay down dead. No more. There's no 6'6", dark room, but it's not Shano. Let's go.
No more. Buffalo no more. Yeah, lock that black bitch boy flatten out and stop twitch for your own.
Yeah, I lock that black pitch boy flatten out and stop twitch. Yo! Gunshot!
Lock that black bitch boy flatten out and stop twitch for your 100 spend shell shot stitch ends leave look drastic.
For your 100 spend shell shot.
No more. Yeah, lock that black bitch boy flatten out and stop twitch for your 100 spend shell shot stitch ends leave look drastic.
Is this 2014, 2015 Alkaline? Is this Alkaline before 2016? You know what I'm saying? 2016. Is that the Menagos moment? Stallion, the Cosmo. Is that the Alkaline? Is that Alkaline? I think Alkaline is itching for a war. Somebody, Alkaline has sent for somebody. But you know how Alkaline do his things strategically. Big word. Strategic. Left that again because you're going to fuck it up. You're going to say it again and you're trying to fuck it up. You idiot. Move. Yo, Alkaline has sent for somebody else, bro.
Boy flatten out and stop twitch for your 100 spend shell shot stitch ends leave look drastic. Me no go to church, me no baptist, fuck enough girl, me no baptist.
Me no go to church, me no baptist. So I'm tell you say, yo, brother, I'm not the church goer. Me no baptist. Fuck enough girl, me no back fist. How would them say a back fist? Who them say a back fist? Eh? Who them say a choke rabbit? Eh? Who them say a high kite? Eh? Who does have a snake in a hand and smoke his... Yo, left that alone. Let's go.
Stitch ends leave look drastic. When I go to church, me no baptist. Fuck enough girl, me no baptist. With a red cock and a fat split. I go home time when the Glock spit. Live rich, dead early. Dog me roll with them dumb girl. You have to...
Live rich, dead early. DJ, who go dead early? How you try to tell you, say? Hold on, man. Let me try to interpret it when I say so. Hold on, man.
Church, me no baptist, fuck enough girl, me no baptist. With a red cock and a fat split, I go home time when the Glock spit. Live rich, dead early, dog me roll with them dumb girl. You have to...
Live rich, dead early, dog me roll with them dumb girly. So I'm tell you say I be a G's him roll with. I be a grimy dog him roll with. All right, cool. We get that part there. Live rich, dead early though. What you say? What you say? Like you still a say you not have a care in the world. And that you say, like, if a man show up them head ready for dead now, that what you say? What you say, Alka? Somebody in the comment section interpretate big words again. That it's too early for this. Interpretate what did you say so? Cause me not overs. Me hear it, but me not overs it. Live rich and dead early. What you say? You not care? You don't have a care in the world? what y'all say? Like, you're not afraid for dead? What y'all say? Right now, y'all live rich. So basically, y'all say y'all live rich, y'all do your thing, y'all live your life like at your last day upon earth then. And that y'all say? Like, is that the mindset you have? Me not understand. Somebody explain that to me, please.
One time when the Glock spit, live rich, dead early. Dog me roll with them dumb girl. You have to chrome firmly, make you load firstly. Can't be my rival, but my victim, wanna do unworthy.
Why? Can't be my rival, be my victim, wanna do unworthy. Can't be my rival, be my victim, cause wanna do unworthy. A what kind of attack? Leave in the comment section. Who did you attack? Who is Alkaline rival? Who is...
Dumb girl, you have to chrome firmly, make you load firstly. Can't be my rival, but my victim, wanna do unworthy. No therapy, mind twisted and more dirty. Live rich, dead early. Dog me roll with them dumb girl, you have to chrome firmly, make you load firstly. Can't be my rival, but my victim, wanna do unworthy. No therapy, mind twisted and more dirty. No mercy, shit a boy mercy. Gun full around that store 30.
Guns full around, that's 430. Guns full around, that's 430.
I'm firmly make you load firstly. Can't be my rival, but my victim, wanna do unworthy. No therapy, mind twisted and more dirty. No mercy, shit a boy mercy. Gun full around that store 30. Me breathe, you even need backpack. Feel someone, boy, you're a mascot. Gun full around that store 30. Me breathe, you even need backpack. Feel someone, boy, you're a mascot. Put the cool pull trigger and gash that dish post dash trash lightning flash ear.
Bumbo clap. Hold on the man. Hold on the man. Alkaline, me not fuck you today no. Me not fuck you this man in Alkaline. Big up yourself in a vendetta boss.
My thing.
Yeah man. Big up yourself man.
Hey.
Yeah man.
Lay down dead no more. Lay down dead no more. Why you lay down dead no more? Bomb floor, no more. Yeah, you lock that black pitch, boy flatten out and stop twitch for your 100. Spend shell shot stitch ends leave look drastic. When I go to church, when I baptist, fuck enough gal, when I back fist. With a red cock and a fat split, I go home time when the Glock spit. Live rich, dead early. Dog me roll with them dumb girl. You have to chrome firmly, make you load firstly. Can't be my rival, but my victim, wanna do unworthy. No therapy, mind twisted and more dirty. No mercy, shit a boy mercy. Gun full around that store 30. Me breathe, you even need backpack. Feel someone, boy, you're a mascot. Put the cool pull trigger and gash that dish.
You feel someone boy, brother? If me a pre, me not go on Instagram, I go on Twitter, go make no tweet and one if you make you know me a pre, your brother. Me not depend that, brother. No, element of surprise.
He breathe, you even need backpack. Feel someone, boy, you're a mascot. Put the cool pull trigger and gash that dish post dash trash lightning flash ear. What me do? Make money and stash cash. Some fast love chat and watch. Come.
What me do? Make money and stack cash. Some fast love chat and watch. I want watch out the G thing. I reach pussy I watch the G. No man to the G. Aye.
Stash trash lightning flash ear. What me do? Make money and stash cash. Some fast love chat and watch. Come like them life that scratch. Nothing to me catch skin tear can't patch.
Come like them skin that scratch. I'm like, yo, I can't chop your fuck.
Some fast love chat and watch. Come like them life that scratch. Nothing to me catch skin tear can't patch. Candice, feel your trickster. In a play a game like football fixture.
Candice, feel your trickster. Me not play a game like football fixture. Football fixtures when too much is up together. You have your Liverpool versus your Arsenal. You know, it's too much. That's a fixture. So I tell you, say yo, me not play a game like football fixture. No, me not depend that, brother. Straight business.
Tear can't patch. Candice, feel your trickster. In a play a game like football fixture. Neck twist, carbine now miss ya. Body throw down and wrap up like Whistler.
What a comparison. Body throw down and wrap up like Whistler.
Game like football fixture. Neck twist, carbine now miss ya. Body throw down and wrap up like Whistler. Killer explode, now blister. Earth you up and I go mad pan the Richter. One run, feel say the carifta. Can't go like that, go up on your picture. Money land. Twist, carbine now miss ya. Body throw down and wrap up like Whistler. Killer explode, now blister. Earth you up and I go mad pan the Richter. One run, feel say the carifta. Can't go like that, go up on your picture. Money laundry crime that way the pan. To your face, everything spray the pan. Me no
Bumbleclaw, the crime of the boss upon money laundry crime. Had this the boss take, the boss have it like that.
Can't go like that, go up on your picture. Money laundry crime that we depend. To your face, everything spray the pan. Me no roll or sport empty. Weapon out a port, but we link with area, man.
Me never expect that song to drop in January, yeah, dog. I swear, like, typically January is supposed to be the calm month, the month after Christmas. Everybody calm down, you know, and I get ready for down in the Easter, for go down in the summer. And you see me never expect this from Alkaline.
Your face, everything spray the pan. Me no roll or sport empty. Weapon out a port, but we link with area, man. All Babylon praise the Dan. Buffy boy prank on no wait me long. See them off yard and set the bomb.
All Babylon praise the Dan. So I'm tell you say all police him having in pocket. Police rate him, police respect him. Guffy boy pronto now. Immediately. Like you see that in a jiffy. No, already.
All Babylon praise the Dan. Buffy boy prank on no wait me long. See them off yard and set the bomb. Fire some shot and boom the land. But
see them off yard and set the bomb. Yeah, the HK bomb I set with G and knock it. Jeez.
Buffy boy prank on no wait me long. See them off yard and set the bomb. Fire some shot and boom the land. But 24/7 no take leave that in a tree. The disrespect you gang one more if you say you are go see. Take out.
But 24/7 brother. I know pepper light badness this. I know Christmas badness this. Me bad 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. What you say to me? Huh?
Take leave that in a tree. The disrespect you gang one more if you say you are go see. Take out it, he be nearly. And boy them off to flee. I hit that from we say you are for dead, you coulda play.
Once we said the word, you have to dead in the bed, brother. No matter where you run, go, you could run go under your mama's skirt. You still have to dead. You know, so you still have to dead. Once me give the word, once me give the order for your dead, I hate that, brother. Knockings, clappings.
And boy them off to flee. I hit that from we say you are for dead, you coulda play. Lay down dead no more. Dead. Lay down dead no more. Why lay down dead no more? Ball floor no more.
Boss, I drop your fuck. Hey, boss, lay down dead no more. Boy, what kind of talk? What kind of talk, guys? Who vendetta boss attack? Who the Yo, who the boss attack, dog? Like, I'm curious to find out who is Alkaline talking about. Eh? Alkaline is back, bro. Like, Alkaline forget 2 songs in a 2 weeks, bro. Is Alkaline working on a project this year? Is Alkaline working on a mixtape or album or something this year again? Like, or Alkaline just say, oh, 2024, we're there again. We've been quite quiet for the past couple of years, like, for Alkaline standard. We're there again, 2024. We are going to fuck up the area and be the most talked about artist. Again. Like, what go on? What would you say go on? And somebody explain the line where Emma say, yo, live rich and die early. Explain the line for me, dog. Like, yo, the man himself is here, bro. He never left. Him just did quiet a whole of meds over there, so but he just get up and say, yo, what? Oh, watch it. Excuse me. Watch it. Move. Because all I'm an idiot. And that's all kind of I do right now. What go on? Somebody explain the man. Yo, big up on yourself, yeah, man. There. I be in the comment section. Big up all our Vendetta boss, Vendetta fans. Vendetta boss, big up yourself. The team around the G, big up yourself. Triton, big up yourself for the as a director. You see me? Yeah. I'm gonna leave that one still, that's all. If you enjoy that one and want to see more, there's gonna be some videos floating about on your screen somewhere above my head. Also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram at Jamaica_worst_gamer. You can send me a DMs, ladies. I'm saying nothing over here because of the war, you know. No, you can send me a message and say, yo, dad, you know, something like what you done thing and thing. I make a whole of rems, I make a whole of reason, you know, ladies on them. I don't want to man on my DM unless a business, you see me? Anyway, you can leave that one there. Just so I'll see you guys on the next time. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.